Good morning! Hello guys! Andito tayo mag-visit ng Lago Baturan. Voila! So, let's go! When in the 13th century, the Order of the Temple received a donation of part of the lands of Larsak, they came to build a defensive castle on a rocky spar at the place called Mas Aymar. Wala. La Corbatuarad. Wala si La Corbatuarad. Pero ang pronunciation dyan ay Corvertuarad. Corvertuarad. Later, in the 15th century, at the request of the inhabitants and to protect themselves from the famous Ruders, the Hospitalier, also named Knights of the Order of Malta, would have the ramparts built in just 5 years. From the alley to alleys discovered the communal oven, the private mansions, the only Templar castle in France, the church, and its disquedal steles, its caissons decorated with the cross of the Knights of the Order of Malta. There, the pack of stones reigns. Let yourself be tempted by the serenity of the place by tasting the local flavors. Promise of the journey through time to the heart of the Templar and Hospitalier history on the mystical land of Larsak, La Cobertuarad awaits you in a territory classified as World Heritage of Humanity. Labeled most beautiful village of France since 1982, the city of La Cobertuarad is one of the jewels of the national heritage. Since 1945, several elements of the village have been classified as historic monuments of the Ministry of Culture. In 2011, the Caucasus and the Sevens Territory was awarded the classification of World Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO for the quality of its cultural landscape about the Mediterranean agro-pastoralism, authenticity, integrity, exemplarity. These are the exceptional universal values recognized by this classification. Values is still cultivated with ardor by the 199 inhabitants of La Cobertuarad. On the high plateau of the Caucasus du Larsak, La Cobertuarad tells several stories: that of the Templars who built the castle in the 12th century, that of the Hospitaliers who in the 15th century succeeded them and enclosed the city in a ring of ramparts, then that of the economic and demographic peak of the village with its beautiful residents from the 16th and 17th centuries. La Cobertuarad est une commune française située dans le département de l'Aveyron, en région Occitanie. Découvrez la Cobertuarad Aveyron village fortifié de Larsak fondé par les Templaires et les Hospitaliers des histoires patrimoine. La ville est le plus beau village de France depuis 1982. La cité de la Cobertuarad fait partie du fleuron du patrimoine national. Voila guys, andito tayo nag-ikot-ikot sa buong village ng Cobertuarad. Ang hirap bigkasin talaga. Pero mo kailangan ng English, French, Tagalog, gusto niyo pa magbibisita. Itong village ng Courbevoie ay isa sa mga awarded ng the best or most beautiful village in France kasi taon-taon meron silang pa-contest ng pinakamagandang village ng 13th to 15th century ang mga age ng mga village na ganito.
Pinaganda pa. Pero still as it was. Akyat, akyat.
L'église Saint-Christophe de la Courbevoie est une église située sur la commune française de la Courbevoie dans le département de la Garonne en région. Cette ancienne chapelle située sur le territoire de la commune avéronnaise de la Courbevoie. Cette ancien chapelle a été bâti avec un œuf unique à partir d'une roche calcaire. L'église Saint-Christ, le plus ancien bâtiment de la Couvertoirade, est une chapelle à 800 mètres à l'est du village actuel. Voila guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next travel vlog. Ciao ciao.